Morning, how's everybody doing? So today we are working on a rental that the clients have moved in just a little bit. There's just a little bit of stuff here. This is what rooms are starting to look like already. Now this is not new carpet and it's got some staining on it. You can see there's a yellow mark there. That's where the dye from the carpet has been lost. Yellow is brighter than the blue and therefore it's dye loss. You can't add color back to it. But you can see there's another light spot. Dye loss. And Chayton is in here crushing this one. Making a big difference. We got the big 2-inch tube, 2-inch hookup. We don't use any little tools here. That gets more airflow to the carpet, gets a carpet dryer. We're also cleaning around 240 degrees. You can see the steam coming off of there. Nope. He just stopped cleaning. But anyway, hi Chayton.
Hi.
I'm watching him. So we're going to do those, and then we have some tile and grout to do and a couple bathrooms, but essentially we're going to get rid of, see the dirt, the probably mildew or something, but what happens is a little bit of soap scum builds up and you get a little bit of mildew that grows in it, and it just makes it look dark. So we're going to work on that. We're cleaning this, like I said, we're cleaning this apartment, this rental, and going to go from there, and I'll show you guys. So today we have the Stealth truck, and a lot of you guys asked what we use. We use a Protein vacuum. This is a 1200 XP 50-foot cord bag. It's endorsed by the American Lung Association. So let me flip this around here. So we have the Stealth truck out. It's got two meanings. One, there's no logos on this truck yet, so we call it the Stealth, and the other part is the machine in there is actually called the Stealth too. So kind of works out. So that truck there has a huge carpet clean machine. We can actually run two tools at the same time, two hoses into the house. We're cleaning with actual steam. And luckily today, pretty nice out, or else we would have a door kit up here, but it's not bad out at all right now. And then if it was snowy, we have a blue runner for each truck that would be running in here. So we didn't track any snow, salt, ice, anything like that onto your carpet. It would stay on that blue mat. So, but luckily this winter's been pretty mild so far. It's probably the warmest one I can ever remember. But yeah, so I greatly appreciate you guys watching. If you want to learn more about my company, you can call you can visit us at whencleancounts.com, whencleancounts.com, or you can give us a call at 814-547-1848. So thanks for watching, and I'll post some before and after photos of this on our CNS cleaning page. So thanks for watching. See you guys later.